win-loss record nila yan. But they have certainly picked it up in their last games. And
one thing we've proven here, especially in this league, that has given a lot more motivation for players to really play better.
How about this guy, Jeff Santos, has really found the stroke, trying to avoid another slow start, much like the one they had against Binyan, as we see that long two-point shot hit by Chris Xavier. Pero ito isa sa mga na-discover ng Pasig, no? Playing Christian Rivera at that point guard spot, like this one, finding Lester Reyes right on cue for the basket, and an end-one opportunity for Reyes.
Big City justify his playing time so far this season. Big reason why he's constantly been in the starting.
Lang handoff. Susugurin yung depensa, pinilit yung tira but gets the bounce.
Gets two defense.
Santos. That one rolls out. Yambing able to bank it in off the putback.
Kung sa talunan talaga
dito ni Warlo Batak. Jamil Gabawan is in for Bataan. Again, another great pass to Robbie Darang for the layup.
I've just been so impressed. He just might be the league leader this season in most backdoor passes made.
Crossover, Warlo Batak lays it up and in, plus a foul. How about that from Warlo Batak? And heft advantage over Jess Kilatan. But can't convert, tatakbo ang Pasig dito. The lob, Kilatan, alley-oop play going to Jacob Galicia.
Applaudable defense, and then
Hubert Cani coming off the bench. Pocket pass of Manalang. Oh, great play by Pasig. Galicia to Montuano for the deuce.
Very unselfish.
This one's shaping up to be a test of grit and growth. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Lyra. Napakahalaga nung larong ito para sa dalawang kupunan na ito dahil nga mamaya maglalaro din yung Val City, nakadikit nila in the team standings as we see Kilatan. Hubert Cani slides in, kissing it off the glass and in. Oops! Nagsaksi. May pagkaaton pang Pasig City. The crossover, Robbie Manalang high off the glass and in.
He generated a lot of extra possessions for Pasig City in that game. 10 rebounds, 5 of them coming on the offensive glass. But this is a guy who came in practically, it was almost guard
points.
Correct.
In the fourth quarter, no? And we were tracking whether he could beat the record for most points in a quarter. Pero pinagpahinga na siya dun ni Coach Ogie. Meanwhile, the layup is good from Gabawan. Great pass. Baguio able to recover and lay it up and in. Just like that, lamang na agad ang Bataan with that 7-0 run. Ito sa second quarter, kaya naman lamang na ngayon ang One Bataan Risers 20-19 until that free by Chito Jaime as Pasig City retakes the lead.
And a lot of those attempts were actually open looks para sa kanya, and he still had to play a lot of time in that game he played.
Ilabas papunta kay JL, back to Ives. Now pulls up, automatic from that range.
I don't think really much you can do if you're Christian Rivera.
Bataan, naka 2-3 zone. Batak fires a pass. Rivera could not hit the three from the right corner, but Montuano was there for the stick back plus a foul.
That's always going to be a good ploy against a team that doesn't...
Tulong trying to locate Jamil Gabawan and ends up with Dante Baguio who sinks in another free.
People touched the basketball and it was very early in their shot clock.
Si Cani naman ang bumuslo ng tres. 12-18 to 6.
Their outside shooting has been clicking here in the second period, courtesy of that guy and Hubert Cani. So he's not only doing it from beyond the arc, but Pasig City's attempts have been jump shots here in the second quarter.
Cani sa loob, the floater will drop.
Well, Bataan has managed to get inside the sniping from beyond the arc.
Christian Rivera. Pinasa kay Rocky Asidre, who finally buries a free.
And that's why you could understand basket. He's missed a ton of looks, most of them open shots before that make.
Xavier dumps it inside. Jamil Gabawan off the window.
This duo in the front
ground. Bounce pass, Jamil Gabawan. Again, getting the layup to go.
Slight Gortats. I think this zone has also given Rocky Isidre twice to think about on his shot, but what about Mitchell Maynes? Did it?
Putting on a clinic, especially on the defensive end. Dom Vera drills in a free. Bataan pouring it on here in quarter no. Garcia, much needed basket. A three-pointer to end the second period. Shot clock, 48-33 ang ating score. Robbie Manalang skips in and floats one up and putting in that basket. Ni Mark Montuano. Garcia, great extra pass. Robbie Manalang all net on that triple. That's Robbie Manalang laban kay Robbie Darang. Got blitz. Ganda nung extra feed ni Mark Montuano papunta kay Lester Reyes. Guys in blue with the momentum. Manalang, long two-pointer is good. Pasig City set their offense. 9 seconds on their shot clock. Montuano, short stab, good.
There could have down. Coach Aldrin Morante was asking for a whistle but none was blown. But still, Bataan was able to answer. That was an important possession para sa kanila.
50-45. Manalang. Rescreen by Reyes. Robbie Manalang has found the stroke here in the third period.
He's been the hot hand for Pasig City. 12 points now in this game for the former Adamson Falcon.
Yung cut na naman, Jamil Gabawan lays it up and in.
There have been a lot.
Side of the backboard. Mitchell Maynes, easy pickings on the other side.
Nice possession by Pasig.
Manalang, under 2 minutes remaining. Garcia, another open free. Finally, buries in that shot from the outside.
He's not gonna
pass from Javier. Robbie trying to navigate. Octobre rises and knocks down a three of his own.
Give it space there by Mark.
Chito Jaime puts in a free. Lead down to 4. Time winding down here in the third period. Crossover by Manalang. Gets past Manalang. That was Darang. Able to score to beat this lead down to 6 from a high of 17 points. Chito Jaime, same spot, same result. Another free for Papa Cheats.
That right side of the basket.
Manalang had spearheaded the charge here in the second half for Pasig City. Robbie Darang, that was a gorgeous move. Strong drive to the basket. Playing lesser minutes. Giving opportunity to guys like Dante Pagyo. Meanwhile, how about this guy? Waxing hot here in the second half. Rivera drives right, no good, but the putback is there for Jacob Galicia. Jeff Santos to trigger it in from the baseline. Dante Pagyo, pumasok ulit sa loob. Floats one up and in.
This guy just doesn't need any.
To set the table for Bataan. The pass inside, Jamil Gabawan. Not much resistance on the side of Pasig City.
No.
Backdoor not available, so pinalik niya kay Robbie Darang, who gets past his defenders for another right-handed finish.
I think he's finished more with the right hand in this game than the left.
Jerome tries to answer, he does.
These baskets, his team in the game, talking about Jerome Garcia.
Oh, how about the reply from Robbie Darang? By Galicia, trying to keep in step with Robbie. Darang putting the ball on the deck, steps back, three-pointer again! Oh my goodness! How about Robbie Darang with 15 points?
Who's been trying to keep it step with Bataan in this game, and they managed to do it with shots like that. But of course, defensively, when you have a guy like Robbie Darang just pulling you apart, and it's from passing It's from scoring. Whatever he's been doing for Bataan has been working for the Risers.
Jerome Garcia with that response. And now the steal. Jerome Garcia with 16 points. Personal 5-0 run to cut this lead down. But that does not take away from this inspiring performance by Jerome Garcia. At sasamahan pa yan ng tres ni Robbie Manalang.
Tama sila doon. Yung pagkamay ni Jagar sa akin, Robbie Manalang hitting a big shot again for Pasig City.
Dante Pagio with the answer. These two teams going back and forth.
That he's gonna use Dante Pagio moving forward at this season.
Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Chito Jaime with 18 points. Lang 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Robbie trying to turn the corner. Forces up a free. Oh, banks it in! Gets it back though. Inside Pagio. No! 2 seconds remaining. Jagars. And we are going into overtime. What a wild sequence.
Forcing an extra 5 minutes.
Pasig was down by as many as 17 points. And Robbie Manalang continues to sizzle, hitting a free to begin the overtime period. Pasig City to begin the extra period. Jeff Santos able to cut, able to draw a foul. Jeff Santos.
Consecutive nice games for the Risers recently.
Yeah.
But he settled for something less. Aside from the fact that you just mentioned, Manalang was already ahead of him.
Bagsak si Robbie Darang after driving to the basket.
That don't know Robbie Darang or who are watching him for the first time, this guy's a lefty.
Going all over him. Papa Cheats having trouble. Shot clock winding down, but got bailed out by that foul by Jamil Gabawan.
Penalty na dito ang Bataan.
Dito may 3-point shooting. Oh. Those 4 guys chipping in. Chito Jaime thought about it. Now draws closer, attacking the closeout. Another foul against Bataan.
That's going to go against Gabawan again, and that's going to be number 4 against...
4 misses. 2 each from Jaime and Manalang. Jaime finally sinking in the second free throw. Robbie Darang guarded by Robbie Manalang, trying to get past him. Catch and shoot. Chris Xavier with a big basket.
Gutsy shot right there. Walang pag-aalinlangan.
Gets it to Lester Reyes. Robbie Manalang attacks. Kick out pass. Jaime against 2 defenders. Getting that shot up and in. "23 points for Papa Cheats."
Shot after tough shot. I thought Manalang would have been better off here trying to go inside into the basket, trying to sneak his way past that help defender. I thought he could have scooped a shot in on that left side, but still on the staggered.
Here we go, Robbie Darang. It's Chris Xavier who fires. Left it short. Battle for the ball. It ends up with Lester Reyes. Manalang.
They get foul.
8 seconds remaining. And Jagars got pushed. City uniform. All net on the first. After that miss. Oops. Wait.
You have to give it again.
Chris Xavier, nasupalpal sa likod. Jerome Garcia with a stop to end the game and to end the 5-game losing streak of Pasig City. And our final score in overtime, Pasig winning over Bataan 88-85. Let's